Okay, Mike Smith looking at the MD5 deep.zip file for downloading in order to create hash codes for the Raven project. So I click the MD5 deep zip file. I want to save it. I want to create a folder. We'll call this new folder KP Raven. I'm going to save the file in KP Raven. Going to look at the downloads, and it has been downloaded. Wonderful. Going to go to Windows Explorer, not on the desktop, on the C drive. Okay, this PC. Now I put it on new volume drive, and it is KP Raven, and there's the file. The folder has a strap around it, meaning it's a compressed file. I'm going to say extract all and put it in the Raven folder. I'm going to click extract. There are all the MD5 deep files extracted from that compressed folder. I'm now going back to Canvas and get the Raven PDF. Where is it? I just saw it a moment ago. Where is the Raven? There it is, the Raven PDF. Download the Raven PDF. I want to put it in the same folder. There it is. Edgar Allan Poe, The Raven. Iambic pentameter. Once upon a midnight dreary, while I pondered weak and weary. Download the file. Okay. Download the file. I want to save the file, not open it with Adobe or Firefox. And I want to put it in KP Raven. That's where I want to put it. Now I want to go to the command prompt. I put it on the F file, dirkp star. There it is. CD KP Raven. Good. I've got the file. So everything is here. If I type in dir star.exe, I see md5 deep64.exe. Got it. Now, what am I going to do with it? Well, I'm going to look at the files. I think I'll clear the screen with CLS. There, star.exe. I'm going to run md5 DEEP 64 against the Raven. Okay, well, maybe I need to go dir star.pdf. the Raven PDF. So I'm going to type in MD5 DEEP 64, the capital T THERAVEN .PDF. And there it is, right? There's the hash followed by the name of the file. Then I'm going to type in hash deep 64, the raven.pdf. And there's another one. Okay. Then I'm going to type in SHA1 deep 64, that program, the raven.pdf. Okay. Then I'm going to hit the up arrow, move over here and say SHH. Instead of 1, it's 256. Deep 64, the Raven PDF. And I'm going to go up and I'm going to say Tiger Deep 64, the Raven PDF. Then I'm going to replace Tiger with Whirlpool. The Raven PDF. Wow, I think I've got them all. So what do I want to do? I want to fire up the snipping tool program. I want to click New. I want to drag over this entire box. And I want, on the snipping tool program, I want to say Save As. And I'm going to go to the KP Raven folder, and I'm going to say KP Raven.pdf. No, KP Raven. Capture. That's what I'll call it. Capture. And it's a picture file. And what am I going to do? I'm going to close this file, go back into Canvas, go to the email, and I'm going to click the pencil. I have a lot more choices here, most likely. I'm going to click IT 1200 students, and I drag down, I say Kenneth Powell. I say Raven capture JPEG. I'm going to type in no message. I'm going to click this paperclip in the lower left hand corner. I'm going to go to the KP Raven file, and I'm going to look for the JPEG capture. I'm going to click open. I see that the capture file has been added, and I'm going to click send. At this point, I've demonstrated how to download the file, how to expand a compressed zipped file. Then I use the directory. I use the command prompt to go into the directory that corresponds to the folder where I saved the files, and I executed the programs against the raven.pdf file that I had downloaded. After that, I made a picture of the whole thing and saved that picture as a file. Went back to Canvas, sent someone, in this case Kenneth Powell, an attachment that included that picture. I think I'm done.